many outside activities. After 7 years, recently only I started. Actually, I started my first YouTube channel in 2017. And once after I understood I need to create a solution for the middle class people, I quit it. I stopped it actually, rather than I'm doing. And I started working on designing a solution for the Indian middle class. Within the less time, how they can create a wealth like 1 crore or a 10 crore or even 25 crore kind of. So through investments or whatever. So even just 2 days back, I posted a video where people investment from double or triple kind of. So it's like that, and I have a YouTube channel. There they can get live information, but Instagram channel currently I'm focusing on, and I have to produce some more content from July.